Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to understand query parameter in a React router DOM. So query parameters something like we have some movie list. Okay, so like in Axman we have a query parameter name is equal to Axman. So suppose I want the query string Axman. So how we can get this query string in a React router DOM, that we are going to see in this video. So question mark name equal to Axman, that is actually represent a query parameter, and how you can extract the name only like this Axman or Hulk or whatever. So whatever the string is there in the query parameter, how you can extract this query. So we are going to see in this video, because sometime you might need to extract this query. Okay, so you can see that I have added one additional route here. If you are following this React router DOM series from the beginning, so I have added already couple of a video in this series, and in this video I have added another route, that is a movie route, which is representing some movie list. Okay, so let's jump into the VS Code without wasting time. Okay, so currently you can see that in my app.js I don't have a route for movies. Okay, so first I will add a route. Okay, to add a route, first I will go to header, because as you can see I don't have that movies link in the side navigation. Okay, so I will go to header and I will add first link. Okay, so I will add after about. Okay, and I will give movies, and it will link towards me to movies. Okay, and I have already created one file in the pages folder. Okay, and as of now it is empty, so I will create a here snippet, and I will import some components here like link and use location. Okay, and inside that I will give one heading movies. Okay, I will first register this route here. Okay, so this will be route me towards movies, and VS Code automatically imports. Okay, if it's not import, then you have to import manually. In your case, if it's not import automatically, so let's come here and you can see that movies here. Okay, we have movies. So now let's write the logic. Okay, so in movies I will add UL. In UL I will have li. Okay, and in li I will have link. So movies name is equal to Iron Man, and the movie name will be Iron Man. Okay, so I will copy the same way for other links. So I have copied and I will just change the name Hulk, and Hulk, let's say Avenger, and other name let's say Thor. This will be Hulk. Okay, and this will be a Avenger. Okay, and this will be a Thor. So let's see. So we can see that something mistake. Okay, no problem. We have done some mistake here. This is not this way. It should be right this way. Okay, let's refresh this one. Let's come to home, refresh. Again it's appending. So we need to do this way actually, not correct way. Okay, so we have to do this way. So I will just copy this one. I will change this one to Hulk. Then I will copy this one. And I will change to Avenger. And this one will be Thor. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I will come here and let's see movies name Iron. Okay, so now the route is not getting appending. Okay, now we'll write one function here. So function use query, and it will return not resize, return new URL search param. One second, URL search param, use location dot search. Okay, now let query is equal to use query, and we have to create one child component. Okay, so I will create here only. And if it has name, okay, so we'll check if it has name, then inside s3 tag. Okay, and here what is problem here? Here also you'll have a s3. So what is problem here? Here we don't have a div actually, that's why we are getting issue. So okay, so if we have name, then I will paste the name here. So the name in the query string is okay, and let's wrap it with a strong tag. Okay, so that we can see some difference here. And if we don't have, then there is no name in the query string. Okay, so let's okay, something problem here. We need to close the curly braces here and remove the curly braces from here. Then it got formatted. Now we have to use the child component here. Okay, after UL tag. Okay, so we have to pass the name and query dot find and name, because this is the name we have in our the route. Okay, now let's see. Okay, query dot find is not a function. Okay, so find we don't have to use, we have to use query dot get. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the error is gone, and if I change to Iron Man, then the name in the query string is Iron Man. Likewise for Hulk, Avenger. So this way you can basically extract the query in React Router DOM. Okay, so I hope you understand the query parameter in a React Router DOM, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, then please press like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.